Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix FaceTime number not activating or FaceTime number not working. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your FaceTime phone number is not activating or not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So there is a simple step to fix that. You have to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to check if your issue has been solved or not. So unlock your phone first and then go for settings here, go for apps, go for FaceTime app, and you have to check if your issue is solved or not, or you have to log in with your FaceTime first. And here, once you have logged in, you just have to scroll down and you'll find the option of activating FaceTime. You just have to enable this toggle to activate your FaceTime. And now you have to wait for some moments until your phone number or your email or your Gmail must not activated. So you can try it again to activate it again, or if you're still having the same issue that your phone number is not working, so you just have to go back and then go for general settings here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and then verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And after that, continue to this step and it will reset all of your phone settings. It will not delete your data. So you can easily try this. It will only reset all of your settings, including your wallpapers to your network settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.